Hello, today I'm gonna show you my seed starting process. So what I do is I do the paper towel method. There's a video that I have a video that shows you the paper towel method. I'll put the link below. But I start my seeds with the paper towel method like this. If I want it to grow, if I want the seeds to come out as fast as possible, I do the paper towel method. The next method is I just put it on the put it in a soil or potting mix. I put it in a potting or seed starter mix like that and just let it grow from there. Once I'm done, or once they start coming out like this, I move them to my mini greenhouse, which is right here. The mini greenhouse has a plant heat mat that maintains temperature in there, and it also has some light that provides light for the plants in there. And then once the plants are a little bit bigger, I transplant them from here to my grow box. And this is my grow box. The grow box doesn't have any heat in there, but the lights, the LED light that I'm using generates enough heat for it to be able to maintain a good temperature in there, and also provides enough light for the plants. Enough light for all the plants to thrive. So as you see, the plants are doing well. And these are the new ones that I just transplanted. So they are coming along. So that's the process. After this, by the time all of these to at least they grow to a bigger size, should be enough for me to either transplant them to bigger containers in my greenhouse or transplant them to the garden outside. So this is the grow box, and I also have a video how I did the grow box, so watch out for the video. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you can get updates on new gardening tips and ideas and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video with friends, families, and co-workers. Thank you. As you see, there's still snow outside, so hopefully within a couple of weeks, when the snow is all gone, these should be ready to go out into the garden.